Hello everybody, this is Archana here from Read, Write, Inspire. Today, let's bust another writing myth. Writers must not write for money. Is it right to say that writers should not write for money? Let's see. Whenever someone mentions that writers must not write for money, there is a lot of anger and discontent over the advice. This is because writing is also an occupation like any other and requires as much effort as any other job out there. So why should writers not be paid what is justly due to them? Are writers supposed to live on air? Don't they require food and shelter too? These are the questions out there. I have a slightly different take on this. In my opinion, the problem is that we are misreading the advice. It says that writers must not write for money. It does not say that writers must not be paid. There is a difference there. When you write your story, you must do it for the joy of it. You must do it because you can just not do it. You must never write for the money. Stephen King says that he is often asked by others whether he does it for the money. He gives his response in the book on writing. I'm reading it out now. Do you do it for the money, honey? The answer is no. Don't now and never did. Yes, I've made a great deal of dough for my fiction, but I never set a single word down on paper with the thought of being paid for it. I have written because it fulfilled me. Maybe it paid off the mortgage on the house and got the kids through college. But those things were on the sides. I did it for the buzz. I did it for the pure joy of the thing. And if you can do it for joy, you can do it forever. However, that doesn't mean you have no right to demand the right remuneration for your work. As it is, most writers do not make enough from writing to support their life. You don't have to sacrifice whatever little you make because you don't write for money. Also, there is something else that I need to stress on here. A few months back, many authors on Twitter came out and mentioned how much they had earned from their writing. I think it went with the hashtag publishing paid me. It was shocking to see how colored writers and Asian writers were paid far less than white writers. Also, women writers were paid far less than their male counterparts. It is the same situation in India too. Not only in the publishing industry, but this extends to the film industry too. A male writer is taken more seriously and paid better because he has to support his family. However, women writers are considered hobby writers who have a husband or a father who would take care of them. When a women writer demands money, people are angry and shocked. Doesn't she understand that they have so many other business expenses? How can she be so inconsiderate? Of course, not all publishers or production houses are like this. There are good professional ones out there too. So don't be disheartened. But don't go quitting your day job too. Those consistent monthly bills are enough to scare away your creativity. If you liked this video, please click like below and consider checking out the entire playlist on busting writing myths. I'll leave the link to that below. Also, I have many more such videos lined up and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for all the love and support. Bye.